of Teen Tarkari. Teen Tarkari means 3 vegetables. Celery seeds add a unique flavor to this curry. It is indeed a very healthy and tasty dish. So let's move to a must kitchen to prepare Teen Tarkari, means 3 vegetables curry.
To prepare this, I have taken 1 bottle gourd, 1 ridge gourd and 1 medium sized potato. First, we'll wash and peel the vegetables. Now we'll cut into small pieces like this. We'll take out the seeds from the bitter gourd. We'll rub the rough skin of bitter gourd with a knife. Now cut into small pieces. Vegetables are ready. Place a pan on a flame and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once oil is hot, add bitter gourd pieces and fry till golden brown. Take these out of the karai and keep them aside. Now add 1 bay leaf, 1/3 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1/3 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Fry this for about 30 seconds. Now add potato pieces, ridge gourd pieces, and the fried bitter gourd pieces. Add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Fry for a minute. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. Here, take 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Here is the ginger paste. We'll grind these 3 together with a little water. The masala paste is ready. Remove the lid and stir once. Add the masala paste to the kadhai and add a little water, about 1/3 cup. Mix well. Now cover the pan and cook for about 5 more minutes on low flame. Now the vegetables are well cooked. We'll stir once more. Now add half a cup of milk half teaspoon of clarified butter, that's ghee, and half teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is optional. Combine well. Now turn off the flame. Cover the pan and let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. Serve hot with rice. Friends, this vegetable curry is very healthy as well as tasty. You must try in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for visiting my Ma's Kitchen.